Mihu adie bi na eno ena eda mu screen so sisia ende a trend mihu sa adie we mere aho ebia na wo bi nim de ekoso. I will explain matters to you, and then some people are also speaking ebi mo to say A+. The A+ nso aka no me explain ya tremo na Ghana ha say Ghana yendo ye ho eya me ka say Ghana yendo ye ho no. It's not only with the citizens, so even aban we don't cherish, and that's say yendo ye ho kra. We don't value ourselves, we don't value our own. We don't value our own. Yankasa ye die about insuni dia ye be hwa ma no ne ye ne fefefe. Nanso yankasa ye die ubon say ye ne pasa. Nansi ya wa wonim die ekoso wo wiase mu. Abrante bi efend George Floyd e wa brochwe e na trese police ni bi e de ne kotodwe esi abrante konso wo fomu a wo kun abrante no. It has sparked a lot of public outcry. We are say for 9 na wo bia e ka ho asem. Even America as ade ne see no riot wo mo say shops ni na mu no ade we e na ehya ase e de sa ade ne bae etiefo ye beti an say Ghana government se mo baka ya President Akufo-Addo e be kasa fa ho e ma Ghana fo twa ne chi mi read comment na say me na America mi read comments ne tremo Ghana fo ni na twa ne chi. Say Akufo-Addo who call for justice for George Floyd. Say bibini wono kra no wonye Ghana ni o ya American ni American police ekunu no. President Akufo-Addo be ka say yenye na police for no yenchi omuntum justice who call for justice. One kasa declare lockdown e wo Ghana ha say ye bo wo bitio e wa Shaiman ekunu endesa nipa kono. The relatives ba bontin se mo a wo mo kan ye se wo ye mentally deranged. The relatives ni aba bontin se sanse ni nia ye ntro. President Akufo-Addo ye hu se wo sympathize na wo call for justice for Ashamani na soldier ni during the lockdown ye bo Ashamani ni ti onu kun no. Na so obroni de ne de police ni kun obroni bibini bi a wo abrochi ho ne de wo call for justice. Aden na Ghana ni no nkole nsem a Ghana for kan no etiefo enda ye ba sorry a eno ne say picture eda wonimi say Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture eye aban ministry aban holdi Ghana obi be kan funeral service and a ceremony in honor of George Floyd. I'm sure say wo kra wonya videos ni bi ahwe bibini a wa abrochi police for wa abrochi ekunu no na Ghana ye mountain stage ministry wo hwa was say Office of Diaspora Affairs, Office of the President and the Diaspora African Forum, Office of the President and atrese ya die we in Anna ye pese ye number fufu ne hu ne say ane e ba ye no Ghana fo nso ceremony a wo trese Bobi besi ya inhwehwe ni mu na me hu ade we na me say makoma inti o mai bi pa na yeti mu say dabi o mai bi na yeti mu say Ghana ni soja ni aboni tu eku no ya nkase ye ade we ama wono ni nebusuafo di arewo atlende okwa Ashama na ko bise busuanfo na wo mu di areho obi a yennim no fi bebie sansa wa brochi asade ne tu no nti Ghana ya tena ha a organize ceremony memorial service osabien however you call it akosha atare tuntum akogina ho inti o man be kreni even takrade girls a wo mu wu ye yanya ya ju say ye ade we in honor of them Dabio It that be me, I don't understand. No, if you are Rebecca say, oh, melody, send, you see, you know why I don't understand this. The same thing happened to a Ghanaian. Ono de yemfi no. The family air call for justice, and the yemfi. Bibini a wa abrochi. A Ghana ye ni no. A empire ho. And de ye so mu den. A organize ceremony kra in honor of sa bibini. Hey. Inti me kan say Ghana man. So Mobakaya and now be Memamoti as say it is something that is in our culture and society. Because Embra your son yen na won't say ya for a top plate and a bowl newer. Omeka say plate new one ya the two ama or a visitor. It's a visitor bar and son a base a plate and a cup na a yen you know near their savior my visitor no. Why would if you honey dear? Bona apai na asie tue old one and no na ebema we yusu. Saa na yete enwe de atete ya na edi enyin. And this is a perfect example. I am not saying say they are buying air no. It is wrong. But you see, akwa say papa. Se wo ba what ifie na ekomode na. Untuni nche me say wo be san wo ba ne ho. Na wakọ abonten na odi sika na koma abonten sun ni bi ba wo no so ekom de no. The American na eyebe o hwe wo fie ansa na wakọ abonten oba sunda ekom dimio miyem obi a wu nim no e wo bebia ono so ukọ abonten no no so sun ekom dimio misreo hwan na nka odi sika na be ma no in natural sense oba no ene wo se wo ye den wo de ma no oba ono ene wo ye responsibility. The same thing. Idea where I buy ye, I'm not having a problem with it. Nanka buy me to me aye as far as they want. But Ghana need the so ye sa na ko bi nya problem. Ghana need na so ja for ni ball to wa shama kun no ye sa like no one will have problem. Na ko bi enu wa wo benya problem say. Wo bi enu wa nanka problem yi wo benya. Because you don't say, oh, Ghana ni ewu ya no ye bi ama no. No, yes sir. We be better na chia ka say, we eyenhwehwe and then you can't blame that person. Say nipa ko le ka sa. Ne kra. Yankwa Kwame A+ nsema wo de atodwa. I see, government of Ghana is holding a ceremony in honor of George Floyd. But government has not been able to tell us why police shot and killed 7 unarmed Zongo boys in Kuma. Hey. 2018, police for Kumasi Zongo, police for Kumunkro for 7. Ghana for 7, 2018. And then Kwame A+ I can want them. Say, Abai to me hold this ceremony in honor of George Floyd. Wanu wa brochi wa police woku no wa brochi ho no ye celebrating wo Ghana ha now so 2 years ago police for e wo Kumasi Zongo wo mu kum 7 innocent boys. But see, government has not been able to come out with the investigation on that matter because Zongo lives don't matter. See, was it 3 girls went missing in Takrade. But we didn't hold a ceremony to honor them because Takrade lives don't matter. Hey, meboa, Takrade girls no you hold this ceremony honor womo. We didn't. Or say an unarmed man who was shot and killed at Ashaiman during the lockdown, but Ashaiman life doesn't matter. 70 Ghanaians died in one accident at Kintampo. We didn't hold anything to honor them. We didn't even do DNA to identify those who were burnt beyond recognition so that their families could give them a befitting burial. We just dug a mass grave and pushed all of them into it. That was the end. Today, we are holding a ceremony in Ghana to honor George Floyd. But this same government sent police to brutalize protesters in Adenta who were protesting for a footbridge. Ghanaians are not blacks. Their lives don't matter. Asama Kwame A+ iken eji wo obi a won pe ne kre e na woni no ebenya asem Kwame A plus say Takrade girls ye hold this ceremony bia mo Kentampo mo kai last year, even this year, that same Kentampo nkofu bebrewu ye, no ceremony. DNA test. I said wo ahye a ye be hu say okay, mufunu no ahye na so ani no yanye. You could see wo mu ni na mass burial. It is na wonim say o relative bi efa sa aka no ana relative bi ka tre wo say wo ban kran. Na what is accident wo Kentampo na wonte nka bioma. Obefa ne say wo no na wewu no because ne pakona she beyond recognition. Omonye DNA test a wo mo anye. Kwame A plus na eka. Ashaiman ono na woka. Osi adenta nkrofo ka say footbridge no. Ye ma police for ko bo wo mo. Omo their lives don't matter. Obi a wo wa abrochire. Sebi ebi kra na no oman ye friend Ghana ne twa wo nim. Asem we mfa ye ho ye se ye hold ceremony in honor of Sani Pakono wa brochi no because ye ya ye beka se ane ene ba ye no Ghana for hold we ene Ghana for ye we tre se Ghana for de sa se de abontin su ni beka eno ena tre se ye yende se ye fie ye siesie ni ye no ye ndwe ho but ye beka abontin na ya ye ho say yes ye rich ye say na nkofu hu say Ghana de mo wo my papa Ghana de mo ye say na mo ye say ama ye mo ye say yankasa ka ye be ma ye yankasa ye feel good no ye nye me ya me hu video no me busu mi ti me say hey oh my Ghana o try mo ajo comment box me ti for me da say